Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer a domain to Cloudflare. Alright, let's begin. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. If you do not have an account yet, create one first. Once you're in the Domains tab, click the Overboard a Domain button to begin the transfer. Enter the domain name you want to move and proceed. Cloudflare will automatically scan your DNS records. This step ensures that all your existing records are detected, so everything continues working smoothly after the transfer. When the scan finishes, click Continue and choose a plan. The free plan works well for most users, but you can explore paid options if you need additional features. After selecting a plan, continue to the activation step. Here, Cloudflare will show you the name servers you need to use. Go to your current domain registrar and replace the old name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes and return to the Cloudflare dashboard. Once the name servers update, Cloudflare will complete the transfer automatically. DNS changes may take some time to propagate, so be patient. So, that's basically how you can transfer a domain to Cloudflare. That's it for this video. Thanks.